In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Png image in Canva. If you're working with logos, icons, or any graphic that needs a clean, crisp look, Png files are perfect, especially because they can preserve transparent backgrounds. That means your image can sit neatly on top of any color, photo, or pattern without a distracting box around it. Start by opening Canva on the web or in the app. From here, you can open an existing design if you've already started a project, or begin a new one. Creating a new design simply means choosing the canvas size that matches what you're making, like a presentation slide, social post, or custom dimensions. Once your design is open, you're ready to bring in your Png. Look to the left-hand editor panel and find the Uploads tab. This is your media library inside Canva, where all of your uploaded images and videos live. If your panel is collapsed, just hover to reveal it and select Upload so you can access the tools you need. Now it's time to upload your file. Click the Upload Files button, then locate your Png on your computer and confirm. Alternatively, you can drag and drop the Png straight from your desktop or folder into the Canva editor, and it will automatically appear in the Uploads area. You'll see a brief progress indicator while the file uploads. Larger images can take a moment, so give it a second to finish. Png is fully supported, including images with transparency, which is ideal for clean overlays and brand assets. Once the upload completes, you'll find your Png thumbnail in the Uploads panel. To add it to your design, simply click the thumbnail and Canva will place it onto your canvas, or drag the thumbnail directly onto the exact spot you want. Dragging gives you a bit more control over placement from the start, while clicking is great for quickly inserting the image and adjusting it afterward. The image will appear on your design ready to use, preserving its quality and any transparent areas so it blends neatly with your layout. And that's all there is to it. I hope this helps you work faster and keep your designs looking sharp. If you found this guide useful, feel free to follow along with your own project and repeat the process as needed. Thanks for watching.